Alrighty, YouTube. Found us another new bridge. I don't know if there's anything in it, but give it a shot. Pretty good current. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's some rock bass. Came out of nowhere. Right. Huh. Alrighty. Anything more of them in there. Just need him to get that thing in his mouth. Got you that time. There we go. That's a nice rock bass, man. Oh, well, quick release. See if he ain't got no family in there. Oh, what is that? What is that? That is a freaking chub. Oh, thought you'd gonna be something different, bud. See what we got in here. Oh, we got one on it. Let it go. Another one picked it up. Oh, he's big enough to take it. Oh man. Oh, tons of rock bass. I love rock bass. Unfortunately, I got things to do tonight. I'll be taking them home. Yeah. No way. Oh, man, oh man. He's a little too small, but gotcha, baby. Ooh. There's one of those chain pickerels I was talking about. Oh my god, he annihilated that thing. But you got to hang on. They almost look like a muskie. Man, oh man, dude. we're gonna get this out. You have messed up mouth for a little while, bud, but at least you'll live to see another day. Come on, buddy. Open up. Open up for me. There you go. Oh. There we go. Whew. And you don't want to lip them because they got a mouth full of teeth. And you probably won't be eating for a couple of days. See if they're still big enough and bad enough to take the worm. Something is. Got you, baby. Holy moly. I need to. Oh, dude, you swallowed that? No way. Nah, you didn't swallow it. Okay. Close. We would have definitely had enough for fish tacos by now. The rock bass heaven. Worms are not looking too good. But we're going to go until he can't go no more. Oh my God. Oh. Hello, buddy. There must be a ton of you guys in there. Yeah, you've seen better days, Mr. Worm. Got you, baby. Oh, gosh. Easy, bud. Took yourself again. Rockies, Rockies, Rockies. Loaded. At least it got shady over here. The sun was roasting me. A little bit of a breeze. I can't even count. I don't know how many it's been. From on top of the bridge to down. Told myself, if you don't catch anything at this bridge, you're not going to another one. But guess I'll probably be going to another one. Maybe. We'll see. I really like to catch some big largemouth like I caught earlier. They're either eating really good, they might be spawning. I have no idea. But he just destroyed my worm. So, unfortunately, I think we're going to have to call it a day, YouTube, and I will